Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add link to your Instagram story. Instagram had a couple of new updates, so let me show you how you can actually get all these functions in an easy way through the shortcuts. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Now when you're at Instagram, all I want you to do is to go and create a brand new story. How you're gonna go about? Go on the top left corner and click on the plus sign. Let's pick this one over here. Now, very simple. First thing you want to do after finish editing, of course, with the new updates, you can upload music over here. I don't know, did I show you this? This is the trending music. This is the genre breakdown, hip hop, R&B, classical. You can go on the search bar and find some music as well. But after finish with all this editing and finishing with the text, all you gotta do to add link is to swipe from the bottom of the screen towards the top. Just like this, guys. Then you want to click on the search bar and you want to type link. You want to click on the link, and now we're going to add our link. In our example, I am going to use the Google's website. You click done, and there you have it. See, it looks beautiful. Let me show you how you can actually edit it. Every time when you click on it, okay, it changes the color, which I believe it's really nice. Now you can make this larger, right? You can put it wherever you'd like to. This is the smallest it can get. It cannot get as small as we can compare the tags when you tag someone on the post, right? But I believe this is how beautiful it is. You can essentially add, like for example, I can add something else, right? I can add an arrow, right? And I can just say this one, right? Remember, this link will appear with the swipe up arrow from the bottom of the page. So when they actually see your story, right, there will be a small arrow that will be showing from the bottom of the screen towards the top. So it will push people to actually swipe and see the link. But this is it, how it actually supposed to be, guys. For more tips and tricks like this, subscribe and follow for more